First things first, we gotta unbox it. So, let's check it out.
It's so dramatic.
Because it's red, and it's so nice. And it's a casting couch. So.
It's definitely not a casting couch. We're literally just opening it.
Oh, we're not doing that today. Okay, so we're testing today Injen Technology for my Civic Type R. But first, I gotta unbox it. Who let me use this?
I don't know, but that's the only thing I can find, so please be careful. You gotta lift it up, sorry.
Oh, I'm really bad at this. Okay, I don't want to break it, so first things first, we have, well, some tubes. Okay, some stickers. I think this is important, right?
Pretty sure it is, because
I think we're gonna need this, because we gotta clamp some stuff.
probably gonna need that.
For maximum air, right? Right, okay. Instructions. I hope they're blonde proof because, you know, this might.
Yeah, I'll probably read those then.
Some wrap. I'm sure there's nothing important in there. Let's start throwing stuff. I'm really good at it. Oh! I believe this is what they call. Ooh! A cone! It's fine, we'll blow on it. Just blow on it. Okay, she's good. Gotta blow things. This is the casting couch. Come on. Oh, this is pretty. Injen, I like that. It's pretty durable, I think. I'm not gonna throw it because, well, you know, safety first. And I see something red. Oh, a long tube. I like that. So, make sure there's nothing else in here. Get that all out of here. Okay, we're good. Let's put this baby on. Instructions.